Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. It's me, your sister, your girl, your friend, your daughter. I want cook stew. Now all the oil ingredients on one is not reason. First, this is the oil I'm going to this one of the oil where I want to use. Two, this is the chicken, onions and fresh pepper, and I get momo and dry fish, ribo fish. I have fuku here, and I have beef. Then this is the tomatoes I want to use, and this is the spice I'm going to use. I have curry, I have ginger, I have thyme, I have nutmeg, and I have everything I want to use to prepare my stew. So now stay with me as I don't introduce everything we I want use. So these tomatoes I bought it from Lidl yesterday. I've not used this type of tomatoes before, so I want try am. Me I say as e be na Lidl for buy am, so I want try am. Now no say na multi now they use, so not be all the tomatoes I want even use. Oh, now just small stew. Now I want just prepare maybe for 2 times or 3 times. I want just prepare and not be the one where I will cook pack and put for freezer. No, so wanna just stay tuned, and na everything one I just use now just be this one. So anyone where I never put, I will still let una know. So I want take the meat and almost at the fair. I don't boil my beef. I don't boil that away. So I want put the remaining things now for fire chicken. I like smoked chicken. This time I like smoked chicken. Because the smoked chicken, if you use it take cook, you'll be like saying bush meat now you take cook. So I like smoked chicken. Well. So let me clean the pot. Put it on for fire. Put this thing. Let me clean my hands. So let me I turn the gas, the I turn the chicken for pot. See don't turn now. Don't turn the chicken for the pot. I'm not cut the onions down. I cut the onions. Put all the spice, then I on the gas. So I turn the Maggi, the curry, this curry, this nutmeg. I will add to it. That will not be enough. Let me open it. It's new one. I like nutmeg way for my food. Then I have thyme. This thyme. Then ginger, garlic. That is grounded garlic. Then this ginger. Grounded one. Let me add the Maggi. I'm going to add 2 cubes of Maggi. I'm not peeling them. 2 cubes of Maggi. And let me add little salt to it. So it should be the salt we want use to cook and finish. May I add this leaf Let me wash them before I use them. Then I wash them. Then let me on the gas. I on the gas. Then let me turn it together. Then later I'll add small water journal. Small water. So let me come and cover on. Yeah. I'll cover on. And I pause my video. I'm not sure, so I don't get angry. Wait till they show everything I do for the cook. So wash my plate because I like if I dey cook when my kitchen dey clean well. When we like I dey cook my kitchen, not the where for the wash cook proper plate for them. I don't like it. And the part I want to cook now the different. Okay guys, let me pause it. Just show us it. Okay. So if I like, I know we'll even put water. So the water is okay. I don't need water. I want to cook on. So may I put the one of the fuku. One boil and throw away. Then may I put the beef journal. Make the spice enter. Stew not be too much stew. Now just small stew. Small one. May I put small. May I put small water. Just little water. They say the beef don ready to make my salt enter. Now just begin. That one okay. Yeah, cover am. My stew don almost dey ready. Yeah, make this one boil. Let me just fry the stew now. So I don't wash my pots. I put the pot for fire. What I want to cook stew. The pot may hold gas. See it? Okay now. Let me see. Yes, okay, no. Okay. Let me fry the tomatoes. From the stew. Oh God. I see the tomatoes. So they're yummy, yummy. I never tried them before, but let's see me I tried the tomatoes today. Myself recover and make it the done. I cover and make it the done for them. Positive is the stew. Salt. Olive oil. Cover it. This is the groundnut oil for the meat, and this is the water for rice. Let me pause it. Thank you guys. This food, this is the end of the food, stew and rice. Thank you for staying tuned with me. Thank you. Now do well. If you never follow me for my page, please kindly follow me on my page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sayenwe Creation Kitchen. My page, Love It Ojo page. This is the end. And if you want to see how I prepare this food, everything is going to upload in my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.